You know, it's that motherfucker Killer Smooth, $2 NT, you know what I'm saying? You know how I do it, $2 nigga.
Cash Cartel Studios, nigga.
Cash Cartels, fucking with my nigga B, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, Kinfolk Click, you know how we do it, nigga. 84 shit, y'all niggas ain't knowing that shit, nigga. We 78 motherfuckers, nigga. We came out when the Raw came out, nigga. But niggas raw like that, nigga. It's Arkansas, nigga. Blyville, Thug Town, all the way, nigga. L Town too, nigga. And I could be in K Town. You could see me on Keystone, nigga, in the side, nigga. You don't know me, nigga, like that, nigga. I could be anywhere, nigga. I'm nationwide, nigga. Could be an AZ on you motherfucker, OKC, nigga. You know, I could be anywhere, nigga. I'm a man like that, though. Yeah, we out here, nigga. I might use that body shit, though, nigga. Let you niggas know I'm really laying like that. Really laying like that. You know, that's a right, man. It's a right day, nigga. You know, Huh? I represent that shit. About what? About paper. What the fucking hater? Bust a nigga straight tomato. I come through with the solid, so I call it potato. Killer come through, nigga, I'll fucking make you. Make you a fucking killer. Blyville, Thug Town, represent the villa. What you talking about? Edgewood, E Block. My niggas get off that Reed Rock. I ain't do that shit. Never done it, cuz. I come through off that Ciroc and above. Yeah, I get my motherfucking weed from the medical. I have a nigga bust shots, you in the hospital. This ain't lyrical. It's straight thug shit. Blyville, Thug Town, straight drug shit. Have a nigga in a lot of tickets. But I bust shots while you in your house, I call it picking fences. Trying to get you gone, now we reminiscing. Nigga bust a shot, and the nigga blissing. Copy Del Marino, from the fucking Dolphin. I bust shots to your chest, nah, nigga coughing. Of the fucking blood, nigga straight thug. Blyville, Thug Town, we on the plug. Yeah, we on the plug, and we on the block. Stone for stone, rock for rock, I keep my head cocked. And I'm spitting shots, call 2 and T. Niggas ain't fucking with me, they call me T-Lee. Third World Mafia, throwing up the dub. You niggas don't wanna see me drunk up in the club. I could be sipping on smoke, could be on the gin. And if I bust shot, you know your ass is all ringing. Got the pretty number, already called 10 racks. Bustin' shots on your bitch, got her on her back. Cause she say that nigga like Mickey with the Anna. And niggas talking bullshit, I bust propaganda. Just to let you know a nigga straight up out here. And I ain't talking bullshit, shit, brother, and the pill. L-Town, nigga. Get it down, nigga. Fuck around, get a smooth one crowd, nigga. Rollin' with bird, nigga, get it burned. Bust a shot to you, nigga, who's it concerned? Nigga trying to test me. I'm from the West Seat. Third in his face, in the blue Jeep. Throwing up the third, throwing up the fourth. Nah, nigga, 7-4, nigga, calico. 2 a nigga gone, 1 nigga wrong. Nigga bust a shot, niggas all my fucking clones. Why y'all niggas bone? Get your ass gone. Bust shot to your nigga, me straight tone. That's how I do, nigga. You know, I'm coming like that, though. This is how I'm out of here, nigga. That's off the head, butter in the pier. You know how I do it, nigga. West Side Mafia, nigga. Nigga, east side, nigga. You know how we do it, nigga. Lily Lake Street, nigga. Mount Vernon, nigga. You know how we do it, nigga. Killer Smooth, nigga. K-Town, nigga. You know what I'm saying?